Most of us see ourselves through the lens of our current circumstances. We see our bank accounts, our current job, or current struggles, and we think that's all that we are. But the mirror is capable of reflecting so much more than just the present. Welcome to week 22. Today, we are learning to see our potential clearly. We are looking past who we are today to catch a glimpse of the person we are capable of becoming. Potential is the unseen version of you. It's the seeds of greatness that haven't broken the soil yet. When you look in the mirror, do you see a finished product, or do you see a person with infinite room to expand? Seeing your potential requires a different kind of vision. It requires you to look at your reflection with future eyes. It's about acknowledging your current reality without letting it set the ceiling for your future. You are a container of possibilities. Every skill you haven't learned yet, every place you haven't traveled, and every version of you that is still waiting to be born is reflected in those eyes. You are not a static object. You're a dynamic process. When you focus on your potential, you stop being discouraged by your current limitations. You start seeing obstacles as training grounds. The mirror becomes a place of inspiration rather than a place of comparison. Your potential is not a maybe, it is a certainty if you are willing to nurture it. By seeing it clearly, you begin to act as if it's already here. Your assignment for week 22 is the future self gaze. Spend 3 minutes in front of the mirror. I want you to look at your reflection and visualize yourself 1 year from today, having achieved a goal that currently feels out of reach. Look at the you in the mirror as if they have already done it. Notice how that person stands, how they smile, and the peace in their eyes. Say to your reflection, I see what you are capable of, and I am working to meet you there. Affirmation time. My potential is limitless. I see the greatness within me, and I am becoming the best version of myself every single day. Keep your eyes on the horizon, and I'll see you in week 23. Welcome to the reflection.